How to change language on the AliExpress app. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily change your AliExpress back to English. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up the application. As you can see here, most of the things and descriptions about the product here is in Chinese. So if you want to change your language, you first have to find the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just tap on it. And once you get to the account icon, you'll find the gear icon at the top right corner, right beside the notification. Then you can find your country and region, your currency, and then you will have your language. The third one is your language. So go ahead and tap on this. Now tap on English, and everything will be back to English. You don't even have to restart your app, and it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If so, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon for more tech tips like this, and I'll see you guys on the next one.